Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the XR-65A95K and showing you how to open the back cover and remove the mainboard. To begin, we have about 10 to 14 screws to remove, 6 along the back and 4 along the bottom edge. We also have 4 wall mount screws on the back of the TV to remove. With those gone, we can now start to pull away the back cover from the TV. I like to go around the edge and I'll just pull until those tabs are released. Let's focus our attention on the mainboard. We need to remove these shrouds so that we can expose the screws. You just pinch and pull them away. Very simple. Now we can remove these cables and wires. Just pinch these center tabs and they come right out. For these ones, you do have to push down these black tabs as shown, at which point you can just gently wiggle out the ribbon cable. We'll do the same thing for this LVDS cable. Just push these 2 black tabs down, gently wiggle it out, and out it goes. For this ribbon, there is 1 silver tab here. As you can see, I'm pushing it down and then I'll just pull it right out. And this one has 2 tabs that you have to push down. I'm doing so with my fingers and pulling it right out. This last ribbon is going to be the same deal. There's 1 silver tab to push down and then you pull it right out. Almost done. All that's left to do is remove these 8 screws to free the mainboard. Afterwards, we'll just pull and twist it away gently, and our mainboard is now removed and ready to ship out for repair. If you found this video helpful or useful, please leave us a like and comment, subscribe for more, tell your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.